Hey, it's great to see you diving into this tech stuff. Alright, imagine you're walking into a bustling tech conference in the heart of a metropolis. You're looking for the perfect session that'll quench your curiosity about managing hybrid identities, specifically using Azure Active Directory's Azure AD Connect service. Now, sit tight as I introduce implementing and managing Azure AD Connect for hybrid identity as a comprehensive topic that could set you ablaze with inspiration or calm to your system management aspirations. Got that mental image yet? Good, because in the digital realm where identities flow as freely as the city's traffic, understanding Azure AD Connect is like knowing the transit system inside out. It's your ticket to riding the inter-domain network with confidence. With Azure AD Connect seamlessly bridging the on-premises Active Directory with the Azure cloud, you've got a solid backbone for your identity portfolio. Implementing it could transform your company's access management. It feels like when the sun crests the buildings, the skyline starts to feel real, right? So, let's roll up our sleeves and see what the cloud has in store for us. Now, picture this as a journey through the concrete jungle of your IT infrastructure. As you'll learn in our deep dive blog post, Azure AD Connect can bring a symphony of identities under one command, sort of like orchestrating the flow of commuters through the city's veins, ensuring everyone gets to their destination efficiently. We'll navigate through configuring your environment, managing trust transformations, enforcing policies, and unify user experiences. This is like knowing the routes and schedules, which keep everything running smoothly, day in, day out. But even in the most bustling metropolises, there are hidden pockets of serenity, and so is the case with Azure AD Connect. We are diving into securing your environment and making sure it's resilient even when the tech world throws heat and cold at it, much like how city folks find peace in their parks. And it's a place where only you and the park goers are in that little sanctuary. What's really cool is how Azure AD Connect can enable multi-factor authentication, tying in with the real-world sense of double-checking whether it's the twin checker before getting into your car that says, "Hey, we're good to go." Here's another gem: we'll tackle single sign-on, which is as efficient as taking that fast tram that zips you across town. With just one tap on your transit app, hopping onto the same line as your workplace virtually, a streamlined commute. Let's not forget about managing domain services and integrating with directory services that are as vital to Azure's connectivity as the MTA systems to our city's transport grid, ensuring that your identities can sync and replicate as if they were in constant motion, the life of the IT tech party. Now, with your head brimming with knowledge, imagine you just finished reading our deep dive blog post titled Mastering Azure AD Connect, a deep dive into hybrid identity management for enterprise environments. You must be thinking, this is like having an atlas of the metro system. And that's the feeling you want, isn't it? To feel prepared before embarking on any tech journey. As we near the end of our exploration, you should be armed with a robust strategy for setting up Azure AD Connect, fortified against cyber threats, and ready to ensure your organization's IT infrastructure is as secure and reliable as the most dependable subway service. Implementing Azure AD Connect isn't just about adding a layer of identity management, it's about creating a seamless, secure, and synchronized experience for your users that transcends the conventional on-premises boundaries. Oh, and if you are looking to expand your arsenal of tech knowledge, visit neeraj.qzz.io. Plus, don't forget to hit subscribe to TechLab for the latest and most in-depth videos and tutorials, just like getting the newest Metroline app that promises. the city's latest transit innovations, because staying updated is the way to conquer this virtual urban scape. See you right at the next stop, folks. Remember, in the world of hybrid identity management, Azure AD Connect is your guide, and TechLab your VIP transit line to stay informed and ahead in the game.